If you need to hard reset your Govee outdoor permanent lights H705A, the process is simple, but timing matters. First, completely cut the power. Unplug the lights from the outlet or switch off the control box so there's no electricity running to the unit. A full power removal is important. A partial shutdown won't trigger a proper reset. Next, with the lights still powered off, press and hold the main control button on the control box. This is the same button used to turn the lights on and off. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. This prepares the controller to enter factory reset mode. While still following the sequence, restore power by plugging the lights back in or turning the switch on. The control box should reboot, and the light strip will typically flash or cycle briefly that indicates it has returned to factory settings. Now, open the Govee Home app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and you're standing close to the controller. Tap the plus button to add a new device and select the H705A model. Since it has been reset, the app will detect it as a brand new device and guide you through pairing again. After setup, test basic functions like changing colors, brightness, or scene modes. If everything responds properly, the reset was successful.